What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and I just got an email from a client who got their weekly report and was happy with the results and had a question about if the cost per lead was going to come down over time. So what I like to do in this case is give an analogy to the client. This is a couple-week-old campaign, and if you think of a new campaign like the life cycle of a new human being born, first you've got the pre-birth pregnancy stage, right? That's us in there building the campaign, building the landing page, setting up reporting, conversion tracking, call tracking. The campaign's not live yet. Then the campaign goes live, the baby's born, right? Then it's an infant, then it's a toddler, then it's a kid, then it's a preteen, teenager, adult, right? Same thing is if it's born, then it's crawling, it's walking, it's running, it's sprinting. Growth of the campaign happens in stages. The more weekly optimizations or more optimizations you do to your campaign, the more data the campaign gets through it, the more history it has, the better off it's going to do, assuming it's being optimized correctly like we teach on this channel. So this particular client was in a good place and was really still in that born/crawl stage in the campaign. So we optimize weekly for campaigns. That's typically a good amount for local business campaigns. And what I want you to think about is the more data rolling through the campaign, the more you can optimize. The more optimizations you do, the tighter the campaign gets. And when I say tighter, I mean better, performs better, right? You're weeding out the bad traffic. You're getting that cost per lead lower. You're getting that conversion rate up. And these things take time, unfortunately. Even like us, we've got a ton of historical data, tons of industry experience in tons of different industries. Even still, even if we take our best foot forward, a campaign that we know works in another market, that campaign still has to compete in that market, right? It's a market, we're taking it from, say, Memphis and moving it to Dallas. It's still now got to compete in the Dallas market. So you still have to get the data through the campaign. You've got to analyze the data. You've got to run through your optimizations, rinse and repeat each week. And the more of those you do, the tighter the campaign's going to get and the better off you're going to do. So just think in terms of data and time and optimizations. And that's my best way to describe the life cycle and the maturation or maturing of a Google Ads account to get you that ideal cost per lead and conversion rate. So I hope this helps. If you need anything, my name's Ed. I'm one of the founders here at ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency. Got a little bit of vocal cord damage, so I'm sounding like I've been smoking 2 packs a day. If you need anything, you need help on a campaign, I'll drop a link below to fill out an application for us to set up a time to chat. And we also sell some courses on how to build and manage Google Ad campaigns, how to build landing pages, how to get agency clients if that's what you're after. That's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below. Have a great day. Bye, guys.